All right, so as I just finished saying, I've decided to leave the slideshow out of the low-resolution design. And of course, our low-resolution wireframe. Okay, these are, again, some of the decisions that you can make. And again, one of the really cool aspects of responsive design. Not only can we decide if we want content to move around or reflow, depending on the device that is being used to view the layout, but we can also take entire layout elements and remove them from the overall design, which is pretty cool stuff. So I'm going to jump ahead, as I say, to the 3 content boxes. Now, what I'm going to do here for my mobile device, and again, I'm imagining someone viewing my layout on a handheld device, a lower resolution device. I've decided to mimic what I did for the medium resolution, which is to take these 3 content boxes and have them span right across the overall width of the layout. Okay, I'm still going to have 3 of them, but once again, rather than having them appear vertically, as they did for the high resolution layout, these guys are going to appear horizontally right across. Okay, and we'll stack them on top of one another. All right, so here we go. I'm going to tap my M key on my keyboard, and let's see, I think I'll just single click here with my tools to get myself into the rectangle dialog box, and I'll go ahead and set these guys up. So the first guy here is going to be 480 pixels in width. His height is going to be 150, okay? And I'll go ahead and click on OK. There's my object. And then just very quickly here, I'm just going to use my transform panel. Again, if you wanted to, you could use your transform drop down from the options bar there as well. Whatever suits you is just fine with me. So the X value I'm going to set to 0. And then the Y value, I'm not really sure, I'll be honest. I guess I could do the math, but I think what I'll do is I'll just use the Shift key and my up arrow key just to nudge this guy up. Something like that, okay? And you might want to zoom out a little bit to get a better view of your overall layout. Perhaps something like that I think looks just fine, okay? Now, we need 2 more of these guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the first guy here, hold down Alt or Option, and drag out a copy. But before I let go of my mouse, of course, I'm going to throw in Shift as well to lock this guy in so he's nice and straight, nice and lined up there. So there's the second guy. And then I'll just pan down a little bit. And then I'm sure you remember this trick from earlier on. With the duplicate still selected, I'm going to hit Controller Command D, which not only duplicates the object for me, but it also duplicates the spacing for me as well, which is very nice. So voila, in a matter of seconds, we have all 3 content boxes, which is great. All right, there we go. So all we have left now is the news feed, which won't take very long, and then the footer, and then we're done. We're done the wireframe phase of the responsive design process.